What up, buddy? And welcome to another Premier Lawns video. Today, we're going to be pressure washing this dirty driveway and carrying out a restoration on it. It's a while since it was last cleaned and it's covered in lichen, moss and dirt. We're going to be pressure washing it, resanding it and then biociding it. you're enjoying this video, if you could hit that like button down below, it really helps me out and helps me grow my channel. Just go ahead and smash it. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the big red button down below for more content like this. I post power washing and driveway cleaning videos quite often, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. At the end of this video, I'm going to put links to 2 other videos that I think you might like, driveway cleaning tips and how to clean a block paved driveway, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. I will put a link down in the description where you can buy the biocide that I use on this driveway to remove the black spots and any remaining lichen. My customer was very good to give me a video review. It's going to be up next. Unfortunately, the sound in it isn't great. She lives by a busy road and was sort of struggled to get the audio, but make sure you watch that at the end. Listen, thanks very much, and don't forget to hit that like button down below. See you in the next video.
Hi, I just wanted to say that I would have Premier Lawns back any day because they've done a remarkable job with the brickwork and the driveway at the front of the house. It is literally back to as good as new, and I couldn't be more pleased. Plus, Robbie and his team are amazingly reliable and polite, and they're a pleasure to have. So I couldn't sing their praises highly enough and would recommend them to anybody. Thanks, bye!